Hello and welcome to another Moosend tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create and send your first email marketing campaign. With Moosend, creating a regular campaign is very easy and the process consists of just a few simple steps. Ready? From your Moosend dashboard, click on the New Campaign button. Locate the regular campaign and click Create. Next, you'll need to define the campaign settings. Start by setting up the available fields: campaign name, subject, preview text which is optional, sender, reply to which is optional, and send confirmation to. If you would like to track your campaign at Google Analytics, enable the option with a click. Then, click on the Next button to continue. The next step is to select the mailing list which will receive your campaign. Keep in mind that you can choose more than one list or even choose a segment of a list, depending on the campaign you want to send. And if you have any subscribers contained on multiple lists, don't worry. We do our magic and they only receive your newsletter once. When you're ready, click Next. Now let's choose the appropriate format for your campaign. There are two options: HTML and plain text, or plain text only. Plain text campaigns only contain text and you can't add other design elements like images or links. HTML and plain text campaigns let you add all kinds of images, fonts, and layouts, just like a web page. So we suggest choosing HTML and plain text, in order to use the design you created on the previous tutorial. Then click Next to continue. To create your newsletter design, click on the Take Me to the Editor button. For now, we will use the template we previously created. Go to the template library and select My Saved Templates from the menu on the left. You can click Preview Template to make sure you choose the one that suits you best. Then click Use Template. If you don't need to make any changes, click on the Update Campaign and Continue button. Then click OK on the message that appears. Next is the Spam and Delivery Test step. Before sending your actual campaign, you can test it to see how it looks. Just go to the Design and Delivery Test tab, add your email to receive the campaign, and simply check how it looks. It's highly recommended to always test your campaigns before sending them in order to make sure everything looks good and works well, such as links and images. If you don't want to test your campaign, just click Skip Test. If you want to send your campaign right away, choose the Send this campaign immediately option. You also have the option to schedule your campaign for a future date or time. Choose the Schedule this campaign to be sent out at a future date and time option and specify the date, time, and time zone. Click on the Next button when you're ready. Take a look at all of your campaign details one more time. You can click on the Preview button to look at your newsletter design. When you're ready, click on the Send or Schedule button, depending on when you wish to send your newsletter. That's it. Your first newsletter campaign is ready to go. Congratulations! You've just created your first email marketing campaign. Please take a moment to leave a comment below about your experience completing this tutorial.